So we have another question here, which is saying we integrate tan theta d theta. Now, in the area of video, like I said, we're integrating sine theta and cosine theta. Those are just simple basics you're supposed to know. Now, this time around, we have somehow something that looks a little bit complicated, but not really complicated. Now, if you're given a question like this one that said integrate tan theta d theta, what are you supposed to do? Should we go direct and just do it the way it's supposed to be, or should we use some other knowledge and bring in some other identities? Of course, we know that according to the trig identity, we use an identity. We know that tan theta is same as sine theta over cosine theta, just a trig identity. So we can bring it here. We can say sine theta over cosine theta, then d theta. We can take this from the theta world, then we take it to the u world. So I'm going to let this guy here equal u. So I'm going to say let u equal to cosine theta. Then I'm going to differentiate u with respect to theta. So we say du is equal to, now dy dx of cosine theta is simply negative sine theta. Then we say d theta. We can make d theta the subject of the formula here by simply dividing by negative sine theta, also here negative sine theta. Cancel out here, you're going to realize that d theta is going to equal to du over negative sine theta. Now it's easy because we know that this d theta can be replaced by this guy here. So we're going to have the integral of sine theta over u, then multiplied by du over negative sine theta. Now we have sine theta here, we have sine theta here. I can cancel these two and bring my negative outside the integral and remain with 1 over u du. I've taken everything into the u world. Now, let me just wrap here. We have negative the integral of 1 over u du. We know that the integral of 1 over u du is simply negative natural log of the absolute value of u plus c, some constant c. But then we know that u is simply cosine. So we're going to replace with cosine theta then plus c. And that is the answer. Thank you so much.